Hey guys, welcome back. I'm actually walking onto the beach, or about to be walking out to the beach and everything else. I'd like to thank all my subscribers right now for all your lovely support and everything. You got it, Linda? Okay, let's go this way. Come on. The shortcut this way, guys. Too much cars. Too many cars. Alrighty then. Got a little gift shop here. Snack station over there. Playground over there. And way out there where you see the umbrellas is at the actual beach. Way over there. And there's the playground, of course. I said that already. You can rinse off over here when you get down and all sandy and yucky. Why do we need shoes? We need shoes.
I said chain.
You have your shorts on, right?
Alright, I guess I'll get that.
I'm recording. So this is the long walk to the beach from the parking lot of the beach. If you have an ice chest, it's best to have one with wheels, unless you just bring a mini one and carry it. They do have wagons that are specifically made for the beach. It is a beautiful view while you're walking in the sun, roasting, trying to get to the beach. We came from way back there. We still have to go way up here where all the seagulls are. Oh, there's jet skis. There's gonna be a lot of waves. It looks beautiful. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next video. I'm almost to the beach. I gotta get set up. I'll show you what the beach looks like.